Want to make money with Etsy and Halloween? Do not click the skip ad button. Stick around for a second. I've got something very cool for you. Etsy has 93 million buyers. It's probably closer to 100 million right now. And what do they want? They want Halloween products. If you want to profit with your own Etsy shop and Halloween in 2022, then register for my free training webinar coming up very soon. Are you currently selling on Etsy? I hope you're nodding your head yes, otherwise my targeting is way off. So you can profit without any experience, without any products to sell yet, and without wasting your time and money. I'm Will from PPC Coach, and I've sold over 7 figures in print-on-demand products. And I'm running a free live training session on Monday, and you are invited. I work from home. Do you want to? I'm self-employed. Do you want to be? I have a system for selling on Etsy that no one else talks about or does. I'm looking to help anyone who wants to make money on Etsy. Is that you? Click the button to register for the free live training. The only thing I ask is that you tell your friends about this. I'm giving away the farm, and I don't expect anything in return. No tricks, no gimmicks. Will this help you? I think so. The only way to find out? Click the button and register now. If you can't make it live, no worries. I'll send you out a replay. Who knows? This could just change your life. Click the button, register now, and make sure you tell all of your friends all about it. Have a great day.